Hi all, I want to take a few minutes to welcome you to the course, explain its basic structure, and give you a few pieces of advice that will help you to succeed. Our class works from the premise that writing is a skill, and like any other skill, it requires substantial practice to become competent. So we're going to write and read quite a bit. All of the necessary course material is available on our Canvas site, and you do not need to purchase anything. However, I recommend that you print out the readings and your essays. Studies have shown that people learn better when working from hard copies. Most weeks you'll participate in discussion boards, and over the semester you'll complete 3 essays and a final project. Alongside most of these essays, you'll do some scaffolding assignments that will help you to be successful. In our class, we'll write about literature, exploring where and how it follows conventions, the ways in which it reinforces and challenges culture, how it both speaks for and silences certain groups, how it can be both a product of its time and transcend the era of its creation, and how it is that a few words on a page evoke love, hate, longing, hope, and understanding. And to do all of that, we'll have to read a lot of literature. Fitting in all that writing requires careful scheduling. Each week, you'll complete 1 module. I organize the work into suggested due dates of Wednesdays and Sundays to help you manage your time. You may submit work early, and there is a policy for assignment extensions. Please review it carefully in the syllabus. Modules will open at least 1 week before you need to access them. That way, if you need to work ahead, you can. Please begin each module on the first item and work to the end. I know it's tempting to jump directly to the work you have to submit, but if you do so, I'm sure you will miss out on at least some of the information you need to complete the assignments successfully. Remember that because our class is asynchronous, you do not have to log in at any specific time, though I will hold office hours Tuesdays from 1 to 3 p.m. and Wednesdays from 10 a.m. to noon. Grading in our class may differ from what you've experienced in other courses. Instead of A's, B's, and C's on assignments, you'll earn mastery, competency, developing, or not yet submitted. If you earn either mastery or competency, you'll receive full credit for the assignment. Not yet complete or not yet submitted assignments need to be revised and resubmitted to receive credit. I've included a table in the syllabus that identifies the requirements to earn an A, B, C, D, or F. You can check your grade at any time, but do not use the results that Canvas calculates for you. They will not be accurate. Instead, use the self-evaluation form in our class resources. To make sure you understand your standing in the class, I require you to complete these self-evaluations at least 3 times during the semester. Now, on to the advice. Writing classes move quickly, so keeping up with the schedule is crucial. And the trick to keeping up is to work in smallish chunks of time, say an hour or 2 at a stretch. If you try to do everything in one evening, you will find that there is too much to do. My second piece of advice is perhaps harder to follow. I encourage you to take risks and to make mistakes. You can always revise in our class, and if you try something new and find a way to make it work, you'll gain much more from our class than you will if you play it safe and do only what you know you can already do well. My third piece of advice is to remember that I'm concerned about your success. If you ask questions and let me know if there's something in the class that isn't working for you, I'll probably be able to help. But in the end, you will have to do your learning. Nothing I can do will make you a better writer, but I can and will help you to become one. Have a great day, and maybe stop by my office hours this week. Cheers.